it's Real Fan Kyle here. I just came back from a yard sale. I bought all this silver plated stuff. Some 14 karat gold here. Let's see, it weighs 2.1 penny weights. I bought all this in here too is silver plated, but there's brass and copper under it, which is why I bought it. And all this stuff in here, including the crate, was free, except the candlesticks. I paid $4 for them. It's silver weighted. This is how much it weighs now. 184 penny weights. So we're gonna see how much it weighs when I break it off. But yeah, all this copper and brass, everything you see here, paid like $25 for it all. Dirt cheap, including that free stuff. Did very well. That gold was awesome. Great day.